Today, we are diving into exactly how to get those slick, dynamic subtitles that reveal words one by one as you speak them. Forget about those boring, static text lines that pop up all at once like a teleprompter gone wrong. We want our text to feel alive, acting as a visual companion that flows naturally with your voice. This technique is absolutely perfect for gaming commentary, reaction videos, or any long-form content you want to turn into bite-sized clips. Before we get into the visuals, quick heads up that if your audio quality is rough, no amount of fancy text animation will save the production value. You might want to apply a little bit of compression or equalization to your vocal track before you even touch the visuals. Alright, let's start with the manual method, which you can do entirely within your standard video editing software. Doing this manually is a bit like carving a statue with a toothbrush, so be prepared for a bit of heavy lifting at the start. Start by importing your raw footage and dropping it directly onto your main timeline. Find the precise frame where your first word begins, and use the type tool to place your text on the screen. Take a moment to dial in your font, fill, stroke, and drop shadow so the text fits your personal brand aesthetic. The secret to this effect is animating the source text property rather than stacking dozens of individual text layers. Click the stopwatch icon next to the source text property to start adding keyframes for every single word change. You really don't need to clutter your timeline with endless text layers when one single layer with keyframes does the job perfectly. If the rhythm feels off, just nudge those keyframes a few frames forward or backward until it matches your voice exactly. Adding subtle scale or position keyframes after the text is set can really make the animation feel organic and lively. Use your alignment tools and those helpful on-screen guides to ensure your text stays perfectly centered throughout the clip. You can even use this technique to change colors or font weights mid-sentence to highlight specific punchlines. I have to be honest with you, doing this for a 40-minute podcast episode is going to take a very long time. That is exactly where smart automation tools become a lifesaver for creators who need to scale their output. Most automated captioning tools are either way too expensive or they just give you a static block of text that lacks any visual flair. The better way is using an AI-powered editor like Vizard to help handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the creative polish. It helps you scan your long videos to find those viral highlight reel moments without scrubbing through hours of footage. You can set up your publishing schedule right within the dashboard so your content flows consistently to your audience. My personal recommendation is to let the AI do the heavy lifting of finding clips, then you apply the manual polish only on the best moments. You can even export the accurate captions from these tools and bring them into your editor as a perfect starting point. Don't waste your time animating every single second of a long video, only focus on the parts that really need that high-energy feel. Always remember to keep your font size legible because what looks great on a desktop monitor might be impossible to read on a phone. Use high contrast between your text color and the background to make sure your message really pops for the viewer. Only use the word-by-word animation trick for the parts of your video that really need to grab attention, like a big joke or a call to action. Always review the clips the AI suggests, because while technology is amazing, your human creative judgment is still the final word. Thanks to everyone who has been reaching out with requests for more in-depth editing tutorials recently. If you want to see a full step-by-step workflow of this process from start to finish, just let me know in the comments. This blend of automated efficiency and manual creativity is the secret to producing pro-level content without burning out. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips that will save you time. I will see you in the next video when I try out something new, which will either be a genius move or a total disaster.